Welcome to solverfy.
Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll look at the area under the curve y that is equal to 1 over x to the power 3. X equal to 1, then x equals to 2, equals to t. Okay, so the area is the integral of y dx. Okay, x from 1 to t. So here we have the integral, then 1 over x to the power 3 dx. So that is equal to dx. So at becomes, so when you are integrating it, you add 1 to it, 1 to the power, so from 1 to t. So that is x to the power negative 2 on negative 2 from 1 to t. So we can bring out the negative 2. Then we have x to the power 1 over x squared from 1 to t. So here we have the negative half out. We have 1 over t squared minus 1 over 1. So here we have the 80 again. The area is half 1 over t squared minus 1. Okay, so now that we know it for expression in terms of t, we find this when t is equal to 100, then we find it as, so that is sorry, the t is 10 in the first place, so that is negative half 1 over 100 minus 1. Okay, so this gives us negative half, then 0.01 minus 1. Okay, so the whole sign becomes negative 0.5, then okay, so that is 0.459. You're also looking at it at x equals to, at t equals to 100 the second time, so that is negative half 1 over 100 squared minus 1. So that is negative, so 100 squared, that is So that is, so the whole thing inside is negative 0.9994 times. Okay. And when you multiply that by 0.5, you have 0.4995, approaching 0.5. The last but not least, the values that we replace is 1,000. Okay, so that is, so let's make negative 0.5. Then let's look at the whole thing in there. So negative 0.9996 times, okay, then the whole thing times 0.5. So as the number increases, then that approaches, okay, so we've been asked to find the area as s is greater than or equal to 1. So here we have the limit of the limit t approaching an infinity of 80. Okay, so here we have half out. So let's introduce the limit here as well. Okay, so if t squared approaches a very high number, then because it's a denominator becomes zero, it becomes zero, the whole thing here becomes zero. Okay, because 1 over a very huge number becomes zero. So this is half 0 minus 1. Okay, and that is half minus times minus 1, and that gives us half or 0.5. So the limit as t approaches a very huge number, the area becomes half. And as you can see, as you increase t, the area becomes closer to half. Okay, so this is what time would afford us. This is the end of the lesson. Thanks for your time.